Okay, so good morning. So this is how you are going to get your cycle time. So as you can see here, cycle time is the interval between successive outputs coming off the assembly line. So we have here our formula. Cycle time is equal to operating time per day divided by your desired output per day. Now to give you an example scenario here, we have a small bakery that produces 500 loaves of bread per day. Now, the bakery operates for 8 hours daily, excluding the breaks. Now, the manager wants to know the cycle time per loaf. So, first, we are going to put all of the data that is being asked. So, we have your operating time per day. That should be 8 hours. That's 8 hours. Following the formula, divided by desired output per day, and that will be 500 loaves. 500 loaves. Okay. Please do not forget to put what these numbers are for. Okay. So next thing is we are going to change hours into minutes. So there's how many minutes in 1 hour? So that will be 60, right? So 60 minutes. And just copy what is on the other side. That's 500 loaves. Sorry, I'll just put 500 here since I do not have a pretty big space here. Okay, so that's 8 times 60. That will be 480 minutes divided by 500 loaves. I'll just put L here. So 480 divided by 500, so that will be 0.96 minutes. Remember, we are looking for the cycle time, the time. So definitely we'll make use of the minutes here. So that's 0.96 minutes. And your interpretation will be, it will take 0.96 minutes to produce one loaf of bread. Okay? So that's how simple it is. Thank you very much.